Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the TEXTSPLIT function in Excel to split text across columns and rows easily. The TEXTSPLIT function lets you split text strings by a given delimiter. The result spills automatically into multiple cells. The basic syntax is that the first two arguments are required. Text is the cell or string you want to split. Call delimiter is the character that separates values across columns. For example, if cell A2 contains a list like apple, banana, cherry, you can split it into separate columns using this. And each fruit will appear in its own column automatically. You can also split text vertically into rows by using the third argument for the row delimiter. For example, this will place each value in a separate row instead. TEXTSPLIT can also split into both columns and rows at once. For example, if your text in A2 uses equals to separate columns and comma/space to separate rows, the formula is this. You can even handle multiple delimiters using an array constant like x, y, z. Remember, TEXTSPLIT is available in Excel for Microsoft 365 and Excel for the web. If you're using older versions, you can use text to columns instead. And that's it. You can now split any text string easily with TEXTSPLIT. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips.